Time's very deliberate on that talk.
From Chef San Francisco, we present to you the best eggs from the largest poultry center in the world.
Welcome, girls of the farming communities, to San Francisco. My, those are wonderfully nice, big, white eggs. I tell you what we'll do, we'll make an omelet of those eggs, the largest omelet the world has ever known. And that'll mean health, wealth, happiness to those who eat them throughout the cities of the United States. Milk for that wonderful big omelet. The best omelet in the world, the largest omelet in the world, and the best milk in the world. Hurry it up, let her go, Gallagher. That's fine, it's been a long night.
Milk down here.
Certainly.
That looks good.
It's all hot, put in your stuff, let's go, we're going to have a nice omelet here. Boy, this is going to be a wonderful omelet. That's it. Right inside. While the time's hot. Get busy, go to work. Hurry up. Hurry up before it burns. Get simmer in. Add some salt in. Hurry up, right there, it's going to burn from downstairs there. That's it, that's it. Have you tasted it?
Speaking for the National Egg Week Committee, Mr. Matheson, I want to present to you from the rural districts of California and the poultry world,
from Petaluma, Sebastopol, and the rural districts of Sonoma County. On behalf of the
Well, that's well. Give me a taste. Wow. Lola. You're good. Yeah, I bet yours tastes the best. No, sir. They all taste alike. It's sure good. The best I've ever eaten. How's yours, Deb? Hey, another bite.